I'm a clinical nutritionist and I've been a veterinarian for 40 years. And during this time, I've often been looking for a better treatment and for chronic degenerative diseases like cancer. My mother died from cancer, my wife died from cancer, and every day in my clinic we see scores of patients with cancer and autoimmune disease. We don't know what to do. In the books, we learn to use steroids and more steroids. And after a while, we run out of steam and the animals, they die. And some of them die horrible deaths from being oversuppressed. 8 years ago, I met Frankie at a talk that he was giving to the Breast Cancer Society. And I was very impressed by the work they're doing. They were doing a lot of research in mushrooms. And this particular mushroom was called Sang Hwang. I was so impressed, I told Frankie, I need some of this to test on my patients, my animal patients. And he says, it's too expensive. And I said, right, give me the cheaper version. Is there a cheaper version? And he says, okay, we tried with a lower end mushroom extract. After 1 year, I told Frankie, it's a waste of time, it doesn't work. So Frankie says, look, why don't you try the top end, the better extracts, the very famous Sang Hwang Phylenius Lincteus. So I thought, well, you know, how am I going to convince my customers to buy this? It's just so expensive. But okay, give me some. We tried. I tried, and I was so surprised. After 40 years of using natural products, anti-cancer products, I've tried everything. It's the only supplement that actually works. I have many cancer patients still alive today. They are treated by mushroom extracts. Some of them are on low-dose chemotherapy still. And I am actually so amazed that I continue more research into this mushroom extract. I read every paper that's written on it. There are hundreds of papers written on this Phylenius Lincteus. And it's probably the most researched mushroom in the world today. And this is the start of a journey for me, a new adventure with my friend Frankie. And this doesn't stop today. The research will continue because there's so many different fractions of this mushroom. We are still finding out what each fraction does. And the beautiful thing is, my friends, my patients are getting better because of the gift of this mushroom. And the good thing about using it in the veterinary field, me as an animal doctor, is my animals don't have placebo. It either works or it doesn't work. It is as simple as that. And I will continue this journey with Frankie. I will continue to do clinical trials and research with him. Because there will come a day when we know so much about this mushroom, we were able to separate out the various beneficial parts, fractions, yes, and use it in different parts of our treatment. This is Mocha, and Mocha is a good friend of mine. And I know one day when Mocha needs it, he will also be using this mushroom.